today I want to cover some floristry for beginners. So I want to cover a super simple basic blueprint for a flower arrangement. I think this will be very helpful for flower farmers who may want to make a mason jar arrangement or just arrange something quite simple for their clients. And today I'm using a nice little locally made ceramic cup. I think one of the things that beginners get a bit confused about is, and something that I do quite often, is it's okay to use kind of a smaller vase that'll be anywhere between 1/2 to 1/4 of your total proportion, okay? Now, obviously, if you do use something quite small, you may have to refill it more often depending on how many stems you have in it. So you do want to keep that in mind for the convenience of your customer. So I've already prepped all my flowers and greens. I'm just cleaning up some of my snapdragons here a little bit. And so I've got some really lovely foraged greens that I'm going to start out with. And I'll use those to just create my base. Okay, and crisscross those stems inside the vase. And then always working 360 degrees, okay? And creating a lovely shape as well as a base, okay, for our arrangement. So I'm just cleaning up the snapdragons a little bit. I actually love when they have the little seed pods on there. It's some really nice texture. So we're always going to start kind of at the base of the arrangement, okay? We want greenery and flowers down here at the base, right at the rim of the base. Another key element that beginners often get a little bit confused by. Okay, so I'm going to bring in this begonia leaf as just kind of a nice contrast in color. I think that can be a little shorter. You can always test out your stem length like this outside of the vase. Just be sure to cut the stem, you know, pretty much right before you put it into the water, okay? Again, crisscrossing the stems in here. And I like to have one shorter and one a bit taller. We really want to strive for a variation in heights, okay? Again, I'm working 360 degrees all the way around. And my snapdragons are my main flower today. I'm mostly working in white and green, something really simple for a hot summer day, and working with the curve of these snapdragons, okay? So we'll fill in a little bit more here. And I'll come back in with a little bit of greenery to fill in. Okay, and I would like to come in just a little bit taller here, again, testing out that stem, okay, and get kind of an interesting proportion there. Now I'm taking a look, seeing what I might be missing. And I'm going to come in actually with some dried grasses now, because this is how the grasses are right now in summer. So again, in terms of sustainability, we're always working in season. So we want to get our customers really used to working with seasonal stems, okay, and getting used to what the seasons look like. So your customer needs to understand that all flowers are not available at all times of the year. And when we try to make them available, we do things to our planet that really are destructive for both humans and other forms of life. So we really want to be kind to our planet, especially with flower arranging, because it is a very natural craft where we're working with the natural world. So we want to make sure that we're having as little impact as possible on our planet. So I'm just going to rearrange a few of these. We want to make sure that our vase is not too top heavy. You never want anything tipping over, so do be mindful of physical weight, okay? So right now we have a really lovely, simple and light arrangement that reflects the season. It has different heights and different textures